Why Hinduism is the most powerful and scientific religion in the world. Hidden truth revealed. Hinduism is not just a religion, it's a way of life, a path of deep inner science, and the oldest spiritual tradition still alive today. From yogic wisdom to quantum resonance, from divine unity to total freedom of thought, this video reveals why Hinduism is considered the most profound and inclusive path to truth. In this video, you'll discover the timeless secrets of Sanatana Dharma, how Hinduism aligns with modern science, why Hinduism never forces conversion, the spiritual power of mantras, meditation and Advaita, how the Vedas predicted cosmic truths millennia ago. Whether you're spiritual, curious, or seeking deeper meaning, this is a must-watch. Subscribe for more powerful content on ancient wisdom, Vedic science, and spiritual evolution. Is there a spiritual path that welcomes science, doesn't demand blind belief, and sees God in everything? The answer may lie in the oldest living tradition on earth, Hinduism. Hinduism isn't just about temples or gods, it's about the eternal truth, Sanatana Dharma. It's not a belief system but a science of consciousness, a way to understand yourself, the universe, and the divine within. Hinduism doesn't demand conversion, it accepts all paths, whether you believe in Shiva, Christ, Krishna, or no form at all. It offers 4 paths: action, knowledge, devotion, and meditation, because not everyone is the same. The Vedas speak of vibration, energy, time cycles, ideas now echoed in quantum physics. The practice of yoga, mantra, and breathwork are not rituals, they are technologies of inner transformation. While other religions say, believe, Hinduism says, experience. That's why this ancient path still stands strong in the 21st century, not as dogma, but as the most profound system of inner science ever developed. Why many consider Hinduism spiritually unique or universal? 1. It's not a religion, it's a way of life, Sanatana Dharma. Hinduism isn't a dogma but a way of life, called Sanatana Dharma, meaning eternal truth or cosmic order. It doesn't rely on a single prophet or scripture, allowing freedom of thought, paths, and practice. 2. It offers multiple paths to the divine, whether through bhakti, devotion, jnana, knowledge, karma, action, or raja, meditation, yoga. Hinduism honors many valid routes to self-realization. No other system integrates this much flexibility. 3. It's the oldest living tradition. With roots going back over 10,000 years, Hinduism preserves Vedic wisdom, Upanishadic philosophy, and timeless rituals. It doesn't oppose science, many modern quantum physicists draw inspiration from it. 4. It sees the divine in everything. In Hinduism, God is not separate. Everything is Brahman, pure consciousness. This non-dualistic vision, Advaita, dissolves ego and separation, leading to unity with all creation. 5. No forced conversion, no exclusivity. Unlike some traditions, Hinduism never claims monopoly over truth. You can worship Jesus, Buddha, Shiva, or none, and still be spiritual. This inclusive spirit makes it truly universal. 6. It's backed by yogic science and meditation. The Vedas, Yoga Sutras, and Tantra are not belief systems but experiential sciences to explore the mind, body, and consciousness. Even neuroscience today is validating these practices. 7. Resonates with modern science. Ideas like reincarnation, energy fields, prana, interconnectedness, Om as a cosmic vibration, and the illusory nature of the world, Maya, all find parallels in modern physics and consciousness research. Summary: Hinduism doesn't claim to be the only truth, it invites you to explore the truth yourself. That's what makes it timeless, scientific, spiritual, and inclusive. For many, that is what makes it the most profound path, if not the one true religion.